Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2022 Honda Rebel 1100 twin-cylinder cruiser, fuel-injected, liquid-cooled. This is the one with the automatic 6-speed transmission, ABS brakes, dual clutch. Wait till you hear the sound of that TBR exhaust. Metallic, dark red paint scheme. Come on by, make your Rebel 1100 cruiser dreams come true for just $96.99. This one's only got 5,900 miles, and did I say automatic transmission? We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.